Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Yesterday I made a video about this and then I started thinking, not that big a deal, but if it was a lot more items, this is grouped together, we're going to go to object and group and ungroup. So this is number 3 of the series. In the number 1, I took the green and I nudged it over. But I had to go and select all these little bitty greens. If you will go to edit and find and replace and just use find object and select that green and go from selection and find all, I would go ahead and Control G to group them, because then you can click off of them and nudge them over, and then you can left click, right click, and make sure it's a hairline and put it back, and there you have cut lines on all those little bitty green sections. And the green sections are gone, and you've got the cut lines. Save a step and help showing people how to use find and replace or find object. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.